The President General Coalition of Niger-Delta Ethnic Nationality, we came in solidarity with the Rivers people. I just got the call that today Rivers is 58. That means this was the day Rivers State was created, 58 years ago. And people fought for the creation of Rivers State. Our fears are, under military regime, people stood up to say that democracy is what we want. Our people fought against military dictatorship. Today, we are in democracy. And a democratically elected president will deem it fit outside the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to make a pronouncement that an elected governor has been suspended. This statement alone is a bad omen to our democracy. Our fears are not just the Niger-Delta states. If this is allowed to stay, that means a time is going to come where a sitting president will wake up and decide to suspend 10-15 governors of his political opposition, or governors that are not doing his political bid. So we are saying that we are interested in democracy. And those that are ready and willing to promote democracy, we must stand to defend our democracy. And that is why we thought it wise and deem it fit. Today, if you can feel Rivers State, a state that was created 58 years ago, that has been using this day to mark the progress made as a result of the democratic process that has been taking place, is in mourning. You can see that all Rivers faces are in sadness. Rivers people are in sadness because democracy has been trampled upon. The democratically elected governor has been removed for no just reason. We are saying today that today is Rivers' turn. Tomorrow it might be Akwa Ibom. The next day it might be Delta State. The other day it might be Ondo State. So we are saying that let's call a spade a spade. Let this aberration that has been done to Rivers State be immediately reversed because it is unconstitutional. Even what the National Assembly did in situations of emergency rule is an abuse to our democracy. As a people of the Niger-Delta that understand what struggle is all about, we wouldn't want the people of Rivers State to go into self-help by saying that they are going to occupy all the streets of Rivers State. Right, while this matter is still at its early and tender age, we want Mr. President to quickly swing into action and reverse that mistake which has been made in Rivers State, so that peace, stability, development, and progress, and the people of Rivers State can have the dividends of democracy in their state.
Lastly,
we don't have anything to do with the governor of Rivers State as an individual. We are advocates of democracy. We are believers of democracy. So any person or group of persons that try to trample democratic process in Nigeria, the constitutional democracy that we are practicing, is an enemy to us. And that is why we are here. We don't understand the peace process that the governor that the Rivers people gave his mandate is talking about. What we know that matter of Mr. Governor going to complete his 4th term has been settled the day election was conducted in Rivers State. So there is no other activities anywhere whatsoever that will dictate who is going to be the governor of Rivers State. That's who will be the governor of Rivers State has been settled. And the pronouncement made by Mr. President in terms of suspending the governor of Rivers State is an aberration. Today we are trying to train a tyrant in the Aso Villa. Rivers State today is being used as scapegoat. Tomorrow it might be your turn. Those from Long River State that are clapping for Mr. President, when he gets to your doorstep, don't say that we did not warn you. This tyrant that is in democratic form, that is a dictator, that is in the Aso Villa, if we don't call him to order in this early time, in 2023, in 2031 election, believe you me, we will be here in Nigeria and people will hear that 15 to 20 governors of key states has been suspended because those people might be against him successfully handing over power to his successor.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Can you please tell us your name?
My name is Comrade Ibisuari. I'm the IYC Eastern Zonal Chairman.
So why we gathered here this morning?
Today happens to be an historical day where we're having a freedom walk because of the ongoing political crisis in Rivers State, where the president deemed fit to suspend an elected governor and suspend the House of Assembly, which the Rivers youth from every ethnic nationality came out to say it is unconstitutional, and we feel it is necessary to pass the proper message and information to Mr. President. Rivers State did not vote for TINUBU to present budget for Rivers State. We voted for him to handle the national issues. We voted for the Rivers State House of Assembly to pilot the affairs of our legislative arms of government, not the National Assembly. It is unconstitutional, it is an aberration, it is an abuse of power. It is not about the interests of Fubara, it is about the interests of the Nigerian Constitution. Today, the ethnic nationality comprises of all Rivers State youth came out in our numbers. Here, standing here with us is our National President of the Joint Council Worldwide, who also feel he needs to be part of this program. On this note, we are also sending this message to Mr. President and the world at large to please, with a matter of no time, reinstate the executive arm of government, His Excellency Sir Siminalayi Fubara, and the Rivers State House of Assembly. These issues are causing a lot of negative economic impact on our people. Some of these projects have been abandoned because we don't even know what is sole administrator. It's shameful, it's laughable to the history of Nigerian democracy. Today, we stand to condemn this act. Yeah. We say this with pains in our hearts. And we also want to thank everyone who came out in their numbers to show this solidarity. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Good morning, sir. Your name, please.
Okay, my name is Comrade Joseph Etemantai. I am the superintendent of the Obolo Youth Council worldwide. We are here today. The message is very, very clear. Freedom walk under the auspices of the coalition of the Niger-Delta ethnic nationality. So I'm here to represent the good people of the Obolo ethnic nationality. And we have come in solidarity to say that this freedom walk, we have to walk in freedom even in Rivers State. Because an injury to one is an injury to all. The issue of sole administrator in Rivers State is very, very strange to us. We are politically bereaved in Rivers State, and we say no to such kind of unconstitutional rule in Rivers State. So we are calling on Mr. President to retrace that appointment that he gave the sole administrator in Rivers State, and henceforth reinstate the Rivers State governor, which was duly elected by the people, and the Rivers State Assembly members. We are not saying that we have come here to make issues or make a strong warning to Mr. President. But Mr. President to use his good office and see that the youth of Rivers State are peaceful, and they brought the sole administrator in the sense that Rivers State is facing a crisis and instability. There is no crisis in Rivers State. I must attest to that. Thank you very much. OJ, Bade Agbagboro.
I'm the president of Ogoni Youth Federation. I am here on this very special day because democracy has been strangulated. Democracy is suffering in Rivers State. We cannot have a sole administrator, and we cannot have a president that is passing budget in Abuja when we elected House of Assembly members. We are here on behalf of all Ogoni people and youth of Rivers State to call on Mr. President to immediately bring back our democracy, bring back our governors, bring back our House of Assembly members, because enough is enough. We cannot suffer in democracy. We cannot come out en masse and vote for people and then you are sending them home. And you are not telling us anything. Why will you tell us that our governor will be suspended indefinitely? Today, we are begging that the president that we also voted for should, as a matter of immediate effect, restore back the democracy of Rivers State.
Thank you very much, sir.
Great.
Yeah.